Life in Hilliard, Florida, offers small-town charm, family-friendly neighborhoods, and a relaxing pace of life. But as the area continues to grow, many homeowners are noticing one modern challenge: noise. Whether it's traffic from nearby roads, lawn equipment, or neighborhood activity, unwanted sound can disrupt your comfort at home. That's why many Hilliard residents are turning to noise-reducing windows to create quieter, more peaceful living spaces. These advanced windows don't just block sound, they also improve energy efficiency, enhance home value, and add beauty to your property. Here's how upgrading to soundproof or noise-reducing windows can make your Hilliard home a true sanctuary. Understanding how noise-reducing windows work. Noise-reducing windows are specially engineered to dampen and absorb sound vibrations, preventing them from traveling through the glass and frame into your home. Unlike standard single-pane windows, these systems use multiple layers of glass and specialized materials to create an effective sound barrier. Common features include double or triple pane construction for increased insulation and sound absorption, laminated glass, which sandwiches a sound-dampening interlayer between panes, insulated frames and tight seals that prevent noise leaks around the edges. Together, these features significantly reduce outside noise, whether it's passing cars, barking dogs, or loud neighbors, helping you enjoy the serenity your home should provide. A quieter home means a better quality of life. Noise pollution can affect more than just your comfort. It can impact sleep quality, stress levels, and even focus when working from home. By installing noise-reducing windows, you create a calmer indoor environment that benefits both your mind and body. Imagine waking up to birds instead of traffic, relaxing without background noise, or enjoying quiet evenings with family. The difference is noticeable the moment you close your new windows. For Hilliard homeowners, especially those near busy streets or active neighborhoods, noise-reducing windows are a simple upgrade that can make daily living more peaceful and restorative. Energy efficiency that matches Florida's climate. Noise-reducing windows don't just block sound, they also offer excellent thermal insulation, which is a big advantage in Florida's warm, humid climate. The same multi-pane and laminated glass technology that blocks noise also helps regulate indoor temperatures by reducing heat transfer. Features like low emissivity coatings and argon gas fills between panes reflect heat during summer and retain cool air indoors. This means your HVAC system works less, your home stays more comfortable, and your energy bills stay lower. With energy-efficient, noise-reducing windows, you get the best of both worlds: a quieter home and a more comfortable one, no matter the season. Increased property value and modern appeal. Replacing old windows with noise-reducing models is an investment that adds long-term value to your Hilliard home. Potential buyers appreciate the benefits of quiet, comfortable interiors, and modern, high-performance windows are often a top-selling feature. Beyond functionality, today's soundproof windows are also designed with sleek, stylish frames and customizable finishes that enhance your home's curb appeal. Whether your home has a coastal-inspired design or a more traditional southern look, noise-reducing windows can be tailored to complement its architecture beautifully. Professional installation. For maximum results. To experience the full benefits of noise-reducing windows, professional installation is key. Even the best windows won't perform well if gaps, misalignments, or poor seals let noise or air through. Local Hilliard window experts understand the area's building conditions, noise sources, and weather patterns. They'll ensure your new windows are installed with precision, providing the tightest seal, best fit, and lasting durability. Professionals can also recommend the right window style for your needs, whether it's casement, double-hung, or picture windows designed with laminated or acoustic glass for superior sound control. Enjoy the quiet you deserve. Your home should be your retreat from the outside world, a space to relax, recharge, and unwind. Noise-reducing windows make that possible, giving Hilliard homeowners the tranquility they deserve without sacrificing style or efficiency. With advanced sound dampening technology, energy-saving performance, and professional installation, your home will not only look better but feel calmer and more comfortable. Whether you're upgrading for peace of mind, improved energy performance, or a better night's sleep, investing in noise-reducing windows is a smart choice for peaceful living in Hilliard's growing neighborhoods.